going on? It's your man Mouse C219 TV Midwest Connected, man. Teach for life. But once again, GoFundMe is not life insurance. And if you're in them streets, please put some money on your head before somebody else do, man. And this one right here is brought to you by Midwest Connected, man. Shout out to Combo Casino, you know what I'm saying? My brother Get Busy, you know what I mean? Mr. Get Busy. Out on the east, you know what I'm saying? Roddy Rod, Tom Blues, y'all know how that go. Double Up Productions, you know what I'm saying? And in this one right here, man. This one right here. Let's talk about it, man. We're finna get back to the money, man. You know, we got a little segment that we call Stock for the Blocks. You know, Stocks for the Blocks, man, what I do is I come on here and I help y'all get paid off my pain. You see what I'm saying? Now, I've been messing with the stock market for a couple of years, though. You know, pandemic time, we get a lot, we grind up, we bubbled up, we doubled up, you know what I'm saying? But then sometimes, this things you got to know. Flipping, you investing, or you gambling. Them the three things you're doing on Wall Street. So tap in, you know what I'm saying? So what we doing right here, we want to tap on a play that's coming up, you know what I'm saying? This is not by any chance financial advice. I just like to know what y'all working with, what y'all think. We throw some food out there and see what they doing on these YouTube streets and these Wall Street streets. Because see, we've been playing like my man Trap, shout to Wall Street Chapter. You know, he's a brother in the stock market from where we come from, from the streets, you know what I'm saying? So he kind of breaks it down and da for all of us. So y'all go check out his channel. Check out the brothers ERI with EYL, the brother Ed, he from East Chicago, he 219 Midwest Connected. So bam, he doing the stock thing. So it's out here. So everybody thinks it's a game and it's a gimmick, but I'm going to show you something real quick just to let you know how real this thing is. Now, y'all remember GameStop, right? Y'all remember when GameStop happened, you know what I'm saying? The GameStop flew up and did everything under the sun. Then a lot of people lost a lot of bread. That's just how the market go. The stocks go two ways, up and down. You just got to be on the right side of the thing when it's happening. You're managing your risk and make sure your risk is worth more. You make sure your risk is worth less than the reward. You know what I'm saying? Always make sure the reward is worth more than the risk. So on this one right here, man, I just want to know what y'all tap into this because I'm trying to get back in the game. I'm trying to see what's going on. I'm surfing the market. I come across this right here. Is this about to be GameStop 2.0? Is this about to be GameStop 2.0? Now, we got a stock right here. Man. I want y'all to look at this. Digital World Acquisitions. Now, Digital World Acquisitions is, let me see something. I might get a different angle. There we go. Y'all look my room on it. Now, Digital World Acquisitions. This is a Trump-owned company. Hey, I ain't got, it is, Trump, it is what it is. I ain't messing with you. The only thing I know good about Trump is he freed my man, too. You know what I'm saying? Freed one of the guys back in the G. Put the brother back on the streets. That's the best thing he did to me. That stimulus checks, but anybody know in economics know that whichever president was in that seat at the time, the coronavirus, we already got stimulus. Biden gave stimulus too, just didn't hit that hard because people was a little broke. So at that time it didn't, But anyway, now this stock right here, man, it's called Digital World Acquisitions, right? And real quick, now I do options. Like I say, you flipping, you investing, or you trade. That's what you got to know when you hit the stock market. When you come to Wall Street, you need to know what type of trader, investor. I found out I was a trader. Found out about options, fell in love with options. And what I like about options is it reminds me of the block. It reminds me of the quick flip. You see what I'm saying? So what I did when you come in with auction, you buy contracts, you hold contract versus hold the whole stock, this, that, and the third. We're going to come back to those because this right here, I just want to more so just speak on this stock right here. Now, this stock right here was a Trump-related stock. Like I said, Trump got this stock when he got kicked off of Twitter. Check the timeline. If y'all remember, when Trump got kicked off Twitter, he bought this stock. Now, this is what we're going to do real quick. We're going to go 5 years, which, this stock came out in 2021. It's when it IPO, first listed came on the market. Boom. When it first came on the market, it came on the market at September 30th, 2021, $16. Now, boom, it came on to $16. Now, shout out to Chris Sane out there, because like Chris Sane, like to show y'all, go check out his videos. You want to know about the market, you want to know how to get into it, things about it, especially with this options thing. Because this will change your life right here. You know what I'm saying? It changed my life to the point where I have made a lot of bread, but then I start holding it too long. And see, that's what you can do, especially in a situation like this. Because when you look in the stocks, the main thing you want to do is you want to look at the company, what the company about. And they say invest in companies you know, but this particular right here, you got to be what they call a conversation investor. This is just a time to make some money, or how they've made some money. Now, where it's going to go, nobody knows where the future go, but up to date, this is what they did. Somebody just cracked their head that was messing with this stock. And I'm going to tell you why real quick like this. So if you now, most of us like to get in what we call penny stocks. Penny stock is anything based on the $30, $25, $20, $15, $16, $2, $3, $4, $5, all cheap stocks. Under a dub, them basically penny stocks. So, or anything under $15, penny stock. Stock started out in the penny range, 16. Boom. 2021. Now, if you look, it started out at 16. That next month it dropped to 9. Dropped $6 to 9. So boom, that was 2021. Now, as Chris Sane used to say, when you buy stocks, he said you buy them in shares of 100, which I sat back and I thought about that, and it makes sense once I learned options. Buying stocks by the hundreds is like you exercise an option contract. So you count your bread per, you know what I'm saying, by the 100, so it's a little, you know, by 50 or 100. That's why most people get smaller stocks. And some of the bigger stocks cost a little more out your range. So the bigger stocks is one I play options on. If I can't buy them whole, you feel what I'm saying? So this right here, now when Trump got kicked off of Twitter, he got this digital world acquisitions popping, right? That's 239. When you look at it, now let's go do a quick timeline right quick just to show you what we're talking about. I'm going to kind of show you a little bit about options. We ain't going to get too deep. We're going to come back to that. But we just like to, you know, make it make sense for you. That's what we're doing. So boom, 2021, it was at $16. I'm going to show you something. Now you see it went to 9 in October. Now boom, check here. By October 15th, it was still 9. Boom. By October 22nd, see that, the 15th? Boom. What's that, 7 days later, it went to $94. Now, if you would have bought 100 shares of that when it was $9, it would have cost you $900. It shot to $94 in 2 days. So in 2 days, that $900 would have got you $9,000 because you would have had 100 shares. If you got 50 shares, it would have cost you 45. You would have made $4,500, $4,000 off of 900, don't man. So that return 4 to 9,000 off of 900. Boom, that's the money maker. So you make that type of money, save. Now mind they saying hold, investors hold for the long term. But once I got in the market and learned how these wells work, for them, sometimes holding is 3 months to a year. That's what they consider long term, because they flip-flopping the money in between. And most of the money is made on the trading floor. Man, one of the biggest trading stock markets was in Chicago. They Midwest connected. I did not know that growing up in Chicago. I didn't know the stock market was right there. And that's one of the home of the options and the bull trading. Chicago came up with the bull and the bears thing for the stock market. That's a whole nother story. So that just showed the Midwest this we supposed to be getting this money. But anyway, now you see, boom, it was $94. So at that point, what you would do, take profits. Now, if you're doing options, because options you make money on it going up and it going down. Stock only go 2 ways. So if it was $94, you would put up what they call a put, which means you betting that the price gonna drop. Put that right in at 94 because it's then peaked up and shot up $80-something. Feel me? It was $9, it shot to $94. That's a hell of a return. You see, that was like a 488% return. If you don't take out, you being greedy in the mud. Boom, which is where some of us get got. So boom, if you take out and you get it down, now say you catch the downside, and say if you would have held your downside position for a month, for 30 days, it dropped to 51, $40, 4,000. If you would have put it right there, that would have been 4,000. So see, already 9,000 was made. Boom, you take out, keep 8, put another 1,000 in there to catch it on the downside. It would have dropped $40. That's 4,000 you could have made. That's what, 13,000 in 30 days. Imagine if you would have made that same move with $1 million. That would have been 9 million. That would have been 13 million in 30 days. That's how much money floating around on Wall Street. This is real. So anyway, now say boom. Now where we at right now, just to show you this is an election play. That's so say it did what it did. It shot back up. March, it shot back. It took it what? From November 21, it took to what? November, March, about 6 months. Shot up to 71, kind of staggered. Boom. Hit the 97. He just hit that 97. Hit that 97 mark. And wham. Would it drop down in March, April, May, June, August, boom, 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 went all the way down to 17, Thailand, boom, 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 boom. Now let's get right here to December. December, which was Christmas, it was at $17. Boom, if you would have got it at December, it was at 17. But if you would have got it, know that it hit that 97, you've been watching it for a while, you know that 17 is the number to play with it at. So boom, had you played with it after Christmas at 17, today, which is the 23rd, 30 more days, where is it sitting at now? 30 days, boom, it jumped to 53 from 17. Another $4,000 move in 30 days. Feel what I'm saying? If that was $1 million, $4 million in 30. So that's a straight. And when the lines go straight up like that, anytime you watch, see, when it comes to reading the charts, you'll learn about that if you get in, get into them. You'll learn the points of resistance and where to stop and see the lines. You'll learn all that. Chris saying here another good one for that too. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, what we do, we just try to make it make sense to you, break it down in layman's terms. So boom, you see the straight line go up, I advise you to take profit because what goes up must come down. I always remember that with the market. You know what I'm saying? See, these are the mistakes and the things that I didn't do early and lost bread. But now that I know what to do, I ain't got the bread to put in there, so I just want to help y'all make some money. You know what I'm saying? I'm like Mitch, I just love the game, baby. You know what I'm saying? So boom, peep that. It went up to $53 in that amount of time. So now it's subject to go. It went to 97 and they got it so now less than that. When you read the stock, what you do is you go check the company. Check the company. Digital World Acquisition is a blank check company. There go the bullshit right there. It's a blank check company, which is a shell company. A lot of y'all that got LLCs, they ain't got nobody working for you, you a shell company. So that's what a shell company is. But it's a blank check company which was formed for the purpose of acquiring and engaging in share exchange. That means just buying and selling shares and stock on stock. Share reconstruction and amalgamation with purchasing substantially all the assets of entering into contractual arrangement with or engaging in any other similar business combination with one or more businesses or entities. The company was founded December 11, 2020. Its headquarters is in Miami, and you know who's in Miami. All I say after that is the list of named flags, acquisition companies, and massive companies. 3 employees. Trump is man is somebody. 2020. Scroll down here. Stock soars after DeSantis throws in the town. It surged after Iowa win. You see the pattern right there? 17. So stock as long as he wins. So you want a chance to try to see him ride to the game. type of AMC thing. AMC is $45. I mean, it's $4.50. So that show you how the game changes. Stocks go up and down. That's another story. But we're gonna get back over here to PSQ holdings. And we're gonna get right into this one. These are Trump affiliated stocks. You know what I'm saying? Trump affiliated stocks. What they got to say about the company. Let's see what they got to say about Rumble Inc. operates an online neutral video platform. Thank you to the company is headquartered in Lone Oak, Florida. List the name for Rumble is a class. You see how at least they got 70 employees. So boom. So basically, so these going one go up, so we can't get in there. So now let's take a quick look at this. I want to see if they go out of these out there. So I'm trying to chart it, man. So I'm gonna show you the options chart. Real quick option chart, real quick, just so you know. Options crash course right here. See the price still moving and grooving. You see how they want 665 to that $6.65. So I'm saying you want to put me right there at 55, but you see what they give me till Friday. So you got till Friday to get money with that 665 is actually 665. So you go to buy it, you look over here, you see what's at 665. That's what the 665. That's how you calculate your option price. Now you get an option, it's like you're renting 100 shares till Friday. That's the thing with options. So if they don't pop in a day or two, get your money, get out of there, take your losses, you know what I'm saying, and restructure, you feel what I'm saying? Get in and get out, it just is what it is. You're going to take some losses, but what I learned, the stock market ain't about losses, it's about managing them. And you don't want to lose as much as you gain. If you see us losing, get up out of there. Sometimes we just, we love to see a train wreck, so we'll sit there and watch it till it go all the way to zero. We get to the point we just say fuck it and let it ride, like and that ain't the mentality to have. That's more of a gambling mentality. So let me show you, let me see real quick if they'll let us all right, let's look at Rumble again real fast. We'll look at Rumble and I'm gonna look at this options chart on Rumble, right? So we're gonna see, just to give you an idea how options work. Now you see the cheaper the stock, they know you got they give you a longer chance, but their options is cheaper. Now let's say Rumble at $5.98. Let's say you want to be in the money at $7. That's, you want to get as close as you can when they cheap. So say it's gonna cost 33 cents. Once again, 33 cents is $33. So but they really want 35, so it's 35 okay. That's what they ask. And sometimes what the price say and what they asking is that you want to pay attention to the limit price more so. Because you'll put in a play and it'll be moving and it won't go through. It's because you want to try to get it through for 33. The quickest way to get it through is give them what they ask at 35. That's how they make their money, buying and selling. Buy low, sell high, because you got to think. He's selling thousands of those, whoever that is. So now look, 100 shares each, one contract. $35, what you gonna pay for 100 shares? You gonna hold them 100 shares over here to February 16th. It gives you almost a couple weeks from Valentine. Boom. If it goes up $2, you see what I'm saying? This option price changes. Whatever that price change to, you get, that's basically, that's your money. So let's just say if it go up straight line, say if it's straight line up $2. Got one contract, that's $200 you're gonna make off your 33. If you got two contracts, now say you be like, you know what, give me 5 of these. You're gonna pay $175. If it go up $2 and you pay $175, that's $1,000 though, off of $175. Long as it make it in a decent tip, you do that before the 16th, preferably. Don't hold it all the way up until, never hold your options till the expiration date. Key things. The market is set up to take your money wise way. And it's just up and down and up and down. And see, when it's doing this right here, I'll show you something real fast. When it's doing this right here, right? doing this right here. Let me see if I can get it to you. If I could show you on the, let me see if I can show you on the, I want to show you another type of, but anyway, see this? This is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What you don't want is this. Let's see here, it's just going up. See, up, down, and up, down, and up, down. And see the price to change as it's going down, but it's kind of steady going up to the left. Right, what you want. What you see here, this red. Anytime it go down and stop, this resistance right here. See, it hit right there, and it went up, came down, boom. This was the resistance, 482. Held at 482, was little, then the band went up. Now it's there, so now you checking what the resistance. Now the resistance could be down here to $5 if it drop. But that's a whole nother story right there. So with it being $6, well, I would play that long. Just is what it is, you know what I'm saying? We would play that long with it being $6. Now let's just say if you want to get in that play for the long haul, just to show you a quick come up. Now say what I would do. Now let's just say you want to be on the safe side. Say if you want to go to 8, you want to hold it to 8. Through the election, it's just to see how it run through the election. $8, you see it's $30 to hold it to April. So say you be like, all right, boom, give me 10 of those. But you want 10 contracts, $300 a day. Now say if it hit $10, which is $2, if it hit from $4, if it hit that, if it hit $8, it's at $6 now. If it hit $10, say by the 1st of April, if it hit $10, that $4 move, and you got 10 contracts. 400 times 10, 4,000 off of 300. Do the math. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. So I want to know what y'all think, man. Drop something in the comments. But before y'all go, and just to let you know why we worried about. See, this the thing, man. This the thing with us, man. We calling everything a scam. You feel what I'm saying? Like, everything is, man, it ain't that, you know what I'm saying? And it's you know, we get a lot of flack, man. We get a lot of flack. But this right here, they put this video out about almost a year or two ago. Bam. Dwac. It's the Trump stock. They put this video out when it was at $16, right when it came out, a little bit after it came out. So they was trying to throw the play out there. But while we worry about who shot Big Jug, Dolph and them, you know, old block, who getting money, looking at people parties going on live, they looking at this while we looking at that. They making it shake. We in the wrong game, bro. But anyway, I want y'all to hear this video right quick. Now, they predicted the stock to go to $57, and it's already at $52.
Today I have taken very good stock for you, that will give you very good returns in coming days. Yes, all of my friends, that stock is Digital World Acquisition Corp stock. Friends, DWAC stock now closed at $16.97 USD. Level on December 22nd. Friends, if you want, you can invest now on DWAC stock and you can earn good profit in coming days. Friends, Digital World Acquisition Corp company market cap is $641.732 million. Friends, Digital World Acquisition Corp does not have significant operations. The company focuses on effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or related business combination with one or more businesses. It intends to identify on technology-focused companies in the SaaS and technology, or fintech and financial services sector in the Americas. Digital World Acquisition Corp. Was incorporated in 2020 and is based in Miami, Florida. Friends, Digital World Acquisition Corp. Company related to financial services sector and it's working on shell companies industry. Friends, number of employees working on this company is full-time. And the company is headquartered located on Miami, Florida, United States. Friends, you can clearly seen on the chart of DWAC stock the higher price was made on March 4th, 2022 price was $97.54 USD. Now DWAC stock available in a very cheap rates and here is very big opportunity for investment on DWAC stock because from here bounce back chart pattern appearing now. Yes, all of my friends in DWAC stock bounce back chart pattern began now, and after few days. DWAC stock can give a very huge sharp up move rally from this level, so all of my friends. If you want you can take a position now on DWAC stock and you can earn good profit in coming days. Friends, you can buy DWAC stock as a cash segment and just take a delivery of DWAC stock in your demat account. And just hold for next 1 or 2 years. Friends, after 1 or 2 years DWAC stock can be traded at $57 USD level. So all of my friends, if you want you can take a position now on DWAC stock and you can earn good profit after few years. Friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please
Man, we was on, we was on the, but like I was saying, I was muted, but yeah, what I was saying was, they told you to get out at 57. They said it's 57 and you could trade it. They let you know that when they hit 57, it's on you. You see what I'm saying? That's when they got their target to get up out of there. See how it's going. If it ain't got no momentum, but they'll put a put on it. After you put some money in it, they might run it to 60, then drop it. So now you just got to kind of check the temperature and, work the game. But they let you know what type of stock it is. It's a shell company, so everything they did is legal. So it ain't no scam. It's just information. You got to know what you're doing and know what you're dealing with. Now, if you're not an experienced investor, market trader, leave that alone. You feel what I'm saying? But if you want to kind of just watch this stock for a few days, just to give you an idea how the market move, how things work, you feel what I'm saying? How that GameStop thing happened? Because I think this will be a GameStop 2.0. Those that know. And just in this little time, just in that day, millions was made on the last 7 days. It went from 16 to where it's at now. They done already made millions. So while we worry about big juke, man, this what they doing, man. So y'all let me know what you think, bro. You know what I'm saying? Drop something in the comments. You feel what I'm saying? And let me know, man, what y'all think. It's Cheats for Life, man. Stocks with blocks, but we gotta get this money, because like Don King say, baby, only in America can they get away with this.